The Indian housing sector is facing a tough time with growth concentrated in Gurgaon and Bangalore, where strong job markets are driven by startups that are providing some momentum. Startups are currently the major job creators, while traditional industries and the IT sector still continue to struggle. Now, to decentralize growth and prevent over-dependence on these two cities where 85% of startups raise funds, the government should focus on creating 10 new startup hubs. Without this shift, real estate growth will be limited and other sectors will feel the strain. I am Shivali Das, and today job creation is crucial for real estate growth, and neglecting this could lead to long-term stagnation. Indian investors flocking to Dubai. Tax benefits, high property appreciation, and superior infrastructure are attracting Indian investors. Last year, Indian investors in Dubai reached almost 50 billion US dollars. India's need for infrastructure development is crucial. Without improvement in infrastructure, more startup hubs and greater investment attraction is definitely needed. Dubai may continue to outpace India's real estate sector otherwise. India's startup growth is needed by 2030. India's startup success rate is projected to reach 25% by 2030, positioning the country as a global startup hub. Technology-driven startup will be crucial for job creation and economic growth. Real estate growth is dependent on strategic shifts as well. And to foster real estate growth, India must focus on job creation, smart city development, and decentralizing startup ecosystem. Now, failure to implement these shifts will lead to ongoing challenges in both the real estates and other industries. It is going to have a ripple effect. Now, but Delhi NCR bucks the trend as always. Now, while housing sales across India tops 8 cities fell by 26% year on year last quarter, Delhi NCR stood out with a remarkable 50% in sales. The region also saw a 133% increase in new launches. Experts point to festive demand and increased buyer confidence as key drivers of this growth, defying the downturn seen in cities like Mumbai, Pune, Bangalore, and Hyderabad. With properties prices still on the rise and past post-election results influencing market dynamics, the question remains whether how these factors are reshaping the housing sector. Well, we would love to have your thoughts. Share your thoughts in the comments.